What's up, everyone? Today I'm gonna do another launch because my last one launch was like really easy and I make like really easy money. So why not? I'm gonna launch another thing on PumpSwap using the same method, and let's see if it's gonna work again. And I believe it will because it was just really solid thing. Lots of people are benefiting out of this right now, and it's for now it's a good technique. Like really good method, but you gotta be fast. Don't miss the train. You know, but you miss the train on crypto, you always end up losing money. So you gotta catch that train. Okay. So this one is I'm doing my research right away. This one is like dark eclipse, whatever, but it got like some vibe in it. It says like the first how where's the Bitcoin white paper. It's so wide, so I like it. I think it got some future. I don't know, maybe not. It depends on the developer, but I'm gonna take some part of this thing. It's you. But let me check another one. What is that one? That says means eggs. And I'm saying like this is bullshit. It smells like bullshit like 1 mile away, man. This thing is like bullshit. They're talking about the functions they never made. It's a bullshit. I'm not going to copy their stupid shit. So let's go dodge rocket. Nah, I'm love with dodge stuff. Dog Eclipse seems like the best option to me right now. It has like almost perfect market cap for me. Running, I don't know, man. I'm not going to do pet type of thing. It is fine. It's like easy thing to do. And lots of competitors, they're all doing cap dog. I don't know. I don't want to do the same again over and over. So what I'm gonna do is the bucket pit thing. It's something to do with Bitcoin, like first 100 words in its white paper. So I think that's pretty cool. So I'm gonna take its name, ticker, whatever, every information, and this is the easiest way to take the information. Some websites just click on metadata and take the IPFS address, and then I copy and paste it. Some websites are charging money for this, but this is really easy. Do not pay them. Alright, save some Solanas with that information. So description is just written there, and I'm copying it and pasting it right away. The logo itself, copy and paste it, and then download it. That's it. I downloaded it. Alright. And what else? We need to get socials. What do they have? The website or what? It's like one group. Yeah, they got website. Okay, just copy and paste the website. That's it. You're off. They got the website. But it's earner the instant CTO, CTO things are likes to you, and it's still going wild. So that means like people will like the narrative and shit, so we can benefit. But first, please subscribe, like, and turn your notifications on. I need it. It keeps you motivated. If you want to make money, follow my channel, please, man. I'm doing this for like, I need like more community type of thing. Whatever. Token name is Dark Eclipse, and this is a tool, IS tools I told you about, a safe one. And I'm gonna use this thing because I downloaded the web page and like they don't support that, format. So you better convert it. Their websites easy to do. So it's there. I uploaded the decimals and supply. Just don't care about them. Description, copy paste, and options. You gotta select all of them. Really important. No one is going to touch your token if you don't select them. So you gotta select them, man. And you can read what are they about. I don't want to talk about it anymore. Like I told you like millions of times, if you're my subscriber, you know what they mean. So create the token. when you click on it, Phantom is going to ask your password as always, and then confirm the transaction. All right, it means you have minted your token, and it's a successful transaction. Sometimes when it fails, if it fails, you can just do it again. It won't charge you twice because it's all about the chain. So make it like, just click on 100% button and make first 10 to 2, change it to 2, and I'm going to do like 0.2 Solanas on this one. And I'm gonna swipe launch on PumpSwap. Please click on that. Don't forget it. I got many questions why my coin is not on PumpSwap, because you didn't click on it, man. That's very important. Raydium CPM, man, he's not as good as it was before. So we're doing PumpSwap kind of thing now. So check your transaction on SolScan if it succeed. And what I'm seeing is it's succeed. So we're good to burn our LP, not all of it, just small amount of that's my touch. The traders algorithms that bots have, and some Telegram groups, and also some like Twitter accounts you got in their cracker, so it brings more lies. So what happened on this bunch? I added some coins, and then at the end, I made like 8.77 with this thing, and I never touched anything on lip side, or I don't know. I didn't do anything. I just copied it and pasted and used my information about it. Right? That's the amount of utility and what you're gonna receive if you withdraw located it. All right, but it's like for only educational purposes, so I'm not going to remove it. I don't suggest rugging coins. I suggest you to do like really legit things, but I'm just showing you for like, you know, how risky is this business and how people make money out of this. So it's like 1K in, I don't know, 8 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, but really short amount of time. So I'm like pretty satisfied with the, you know, result. And I want to show you more stuff later. I'm on Solana big time, but like I'm on everywhere, you know. I want to just benefit from every opportunity on blockchain. So these dudes are whitelisted on Phantom. I mean, like it seemed like safe, never got into trouble. So they have created a Binance Smart Chain Token Creator. I'm gonna try my chance on Binance later. So it's pretty solid in my opinion, because it's easy, you know. He's just shilling his chain, and also they got Bumbler. Maybe I'll try the PumpFun launches. So that's it for me. Please subscribe, like, and drop a comment if you have any questions. And also, I'm gonna make videos about Binance Smart Chain launches and like PumpFun launches direct in that PumpSwap. So make sure you turn your notifications up, and if you have any questions, you can join my Telegram group, and you can find me, and you can DM me anytime. Most of the time I reply DMs. Sometimes there are like lots of DMs, so but I try to reply them. So that's it. Thank y'all for listening. I wish you all great profits. Thank you.